Hello, Consumer Math. This is Mr. Nickling. I just wanted to kind of give a little video of what we're going to be doing for the stock market project. This is just an intro to this and just to give you ideas of where everything is and how to find everything to make it a little bit easier on you. So if you open up the stock market project, it should look something like this, right? And what we're going to do is we are going to invest $10,000 into the stock market. You can see my sample here, the Chipotle Mexican Grill. I'm actually going to show you what the finance.yahoo.com looks like. You can use other ones, or you can use the other ones in real life, but I decided to use finance.yahoo.com so that way we're all using the same thing, and I thought it was relatively easy to find all of these different pieces that we needed. So the first thing we want to do is go ahead and go to financeyahoo.com. So I'm going to actually split screens here. So it is going to be relatively small. So you can see how kind of small that is. You can see I had Facebook typed in here before just because I was looking at other things as well. But I'm going to go ahead and put Chipotle in there. Should I spell it right? See, Chipotle Mexican Grill. And then you can already see once I start putting in Chipotle Mexican Grill, and you can put anything you would want, right? Anything you want to invest in. You can already kind of see some things, right? You can see that it is CMG. That's the stock symbol, right? And then as we click on it, you'll notice a couple other things as well. So I'm going to go ahead and click on it. And now I know it's small print, but you can already kind of see. I'm going to see if I can highlight it here for you. Oops. Nope. Let's try that one more time. I'm going to go ahead and highlight it for you. You can see right under here, maybe I'll zoom in. Right under the Mexican or Chipotle Mexican Grill, you can see that it is NYSE, right? So you can see that's the stock exchange. Right, so then you can see where the stock exchange is. And I'm going to zoom out again just so you can see the whole thing. One thing, since I'm zoomed out, if you look at the summary tab that is highlighted right now, and then it says company outlook, and it says chart, and then there's 3 dots. These 3 dots will show you the other things. So for example, if you're looking at the Yahoo or the project, it'll say look under profile. Well, if the profile isn't shown here, next to summary, company outlook, and chart, go ahead and click on the 3 dots, and then you'll see profile right here. It's the 4th one down. So I'm going to go ahead and click on profile. And then I should just be able to look at some things that the project's asked me to look at. For example, it wants me to find the CEO name and pay. So you can see that right there. Boom. Right, so you can get that information. You can see where the headquarters is located by just looking up here. Right, so I'll highlight up there. I only highlighted part of it, but you can see that. And then if you look at the next one where it says products and services, you have to actually scroll down to the description, right? So if you want to know what the Chipotle Mexican Grill is, now I know all of us know this, but if you wanted to know it, you'd have to scroll down and go to description, and then it'll give you a little description of what it does, how many stores it has, or restaurants, or whatever you're looking up, right? You could be looking up something else, like Facebook doesn't have stores necessarily, right? So that just kind of gives you an idea of where things are. If you're looking at, for example, the 52-week high, you have to go back to the summary. So now if you want to start there, it doesn't matter what order you fill these out in. So I'm going to go ahead and click back to the summary. And then you can see like the 52-week range, right? That's right here. Whoops, too much highlighting. That's right there. I kind of highlighted 2 things, but you can kind of see that that's the 52-week range. So you can see the high, you can see the low, the current selling price. So you can kind of look at a couple different places, right? But right here's the current selling price. Whoops. Let's try this again here. Right here. Up at the top. That's how much each stock costs, right? So if you wanted to buy Chipotle, stock, you'd have to spend over $700 for one stock, so one piece of it, right? So you would need to buy like 10 of them. If you bought 10 stocks, then you would spend $7,000 or over $7,000, right? So just kind of an idea, and then you can look through it and kind of look at the different dividends and everything like that. Some things will be NA, not available, especially with the recession that we're taking. So there will be some things that are not available. But go ahead and just look at some different things. If you want to look at the financials, like for example, over here in the project, the revenue and profit that I just highlighted or almost highlighted, that's in financials. So again, if I come back to the website, I'm going to click on the three dots, look for financials, which is right under profile. And then it kind of gives you like total revenue, like how much does this company make, and other things like that. So just kind of giving you a little rundown of where you can find things. If you have any questions, feel free to email them to me or Miss Castillo. Anything you guys need, let us know. This is just hopefully to help you guys navigate through Yahoo Finances. Hopefully it's somewhat helpful. And you can look more in depth than even what we're asking. For example, if you're looking at the chart, I think the chart's easy to read. Just know that this is just one day, right? So if you can see, Chipotle Mexican Grill has been going down today dramatically. I don't know, maybe Tuesdays are really bad. I don't know what it is. But if you want to get a little better idea, you might click on the 6M to give you 6 months. Right, so that will kind of, you'll see, oh, okay, so it's actually not doing too bad. It had a huge drop here. So what is that, March? Oops, didn't mean to click on it. Let's try this again. Click back on 6 months. So you can see, like right here, there's a huge drop around, what is this, March 18th. Not sure what happened on March 18th. Oh, wait, yes, I do, right? That's when the announcement happened. For the coronavirus, so that makes sense that there was a huge drop. But you can see it's slowly starting to build its way back up through the past couple days or weeks maybe. But again, this is just to give you an idea of what you guys will be looking at. If you have more questions, if you want more videos, let me know. I hope this was helpful.